Le verbe voyager, à l'imparfait.
Je voyageais.
I was traveling. I used to travel.
Je voyageais. Tu voyageais.
You were traveling. You used to travel.
Tu voyageais.
Il voyageait.
He was traveling. He used to travel.
Il voyageait. Elle voyageait.
She was traveling. She used to travel.
Elle voyageait.
Nous
Nous voyagions.
We were traveling. We used to travel.
Nous voyagions. Vous voyagiez.
You were traveling. You used to travel.
Vous voyagiez.
Il voyageait.
They were traveling. They used to travel.
Il voyageait.
Elle voyageait.
They were traveling. They used to travel.
Je voyageais. Tu voyageais. Il voyageait. Elle voyageait. Nous voyagions. Vous voyagiez. Il voyageait. Elle voyageait.
Now, let's play a game. To practice this verb, jump to the correct answer. He was traveling. He used to travel. I was traveling. I used to travel. You were traveling. You used to travel, plural. We were traveling. We used to travel. They were traveling. They were to travel.
Maintenant, on va pratiquer le verbe voyager, à l'imparfait.
Please translate to French. I was traveling. I used to travel.
Je voyageais.
We were traveling. We used to travel.
Nous voyagions.
They were traveling. They used to travel, feminine.
Elle voyageait.
Merci. À la prochaine.
Check out our channel for more French conjugation.